These opportunities can kickstart your career in the biotech field. First up, Biogen student programs, great for hands-on experience. Next, Amgen Internships, where innovation meets education. Don't miss BioTissue Internships for a unique research experience. Illumina Genomics Internship is perfect for those passionate about genomics. Zymo Research offers paid internships that are worth checking out. Cresilon Biotechnology Internship is another fantastic option. Takeda Research Intern positions are available for aspiring scientists. The NIH Summer Internship Program is a prestigious opportunity. Biomedical Engineering Summer Internship, BSIP, is ideal for engineering students. QB3-Berkeley offers a great undergraduate biotech internship. HudsonAlpha BioTrain Internship is perfect for those interested in genomics. North Carolina Biotechnology Center has an industrial internship program. Mass BioEd Project On-Ramp provides valuable biotech exposure. Lastly, Pathways to Science offers various biotech opportunities. Which internship are you applying for? Let's get you started.